Hi guys, this is IGCSE O-Level Chemistry, Paper 12, November 2013, question 31. In which process is carbon dioxide not formed? Burning of natural gas is CH4, so when it burns, carbon dioxide will be formed. Fermentation, fermentation produces ethanol plus carbon dioxide. Heating lime is calcium oxide, so no carbon is present, so no carbon dioxide will form. Respiration is the use of sugar by burning it in oxygen to produce CO2 and H2O, so this will produce carbon dioxide. Therefore the correct option for this question is option C. Question 32. M is a shiny silver metal. It has a melting point of 1455 degrees Celsius. Many of its compounds are green. What is metal M? Aluminium does not form any green compounds. Copper is not a shiny silver metal. Some of its compounds are green, however. Mercury is a shiny silver metal, but its compounds are not green and it is liquid at RTP. Nickel is a shiny silver metal. It has a high melting point and most of its compounds are green, making option D the correct option for this question. Question 33. In many countries, river water is used for the washing of clothes. The same water is not considered to be safe for drinking. Why is it not safe for drinking? Because river water contains dissolved salts. Even the drinking water contains dissolved salt. So this is not the reason. Because river water may contain harmful bacteria. Yes, the harmful bacteria may cause harmful effects in humans. They may get sick. In some cases, they may even die. So bacteria needs to be removed by treating the river water with chlorine. So this is the answer. Let's look at the other options. Because river water may contain small particles of sand that can be filtered easily or it can settle down. So that is not the reason. Because river water may contain soap from washing clothes. Uh, this is true, but the quantity would be so less because the amount of water in the river is much larger than the quantity of soap used. And this is not the reason why it is not safe for drinking. The reason why it is not safe for drinking is presence of harmful bacteria. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 34. The diagram shows a kiln used to heat limestone. What is the product and what waste gas is formed? So if we are going to heat limestone, it will convert into calcium oxide and release carbon dioxide gas. So the waste gas should be carbon dioxide and the product should be lime or calcium oxide. So options A and B will be continued. Options C and D will be eliminated. Now, the waste gas produces carbon dioxide and not carbon monoxide, eliminating option A and making option B the correct option for this question. Question 35. Which air pollutant is not made when coal burns in a power station? Carbon monoxide due to incomplete combustion of coal. This would be made. Lead compounds. Lead compounds would not be made by burning coal in a power station. Nitrogen oxides, yes, at the high temperature that is produced, nitrogen and oxygen would react together from air to form oxides of nitrogen. And sulfur dioxide, sulfur is a contaminant in coal. So when coal burns, sulfur also burns, reacting with oxygen from air, producing sulfur dioxide. So this makes option B the correct option for this question. Question 36. The diagram shows some properties of two organic compounds X and Y. So X reacts with bromine and X polymerizes. With steam and catalyst, it reacts to produce Y. Y is used as a fuel and Y is used as a solvent. So because it reacts with bromine, it has to be an alkene. And because it is converted into Y, The alkene undergoes addition reaction with steam to produce an alcohol. So options A and B are eliminated because they contain alkanes. Options C and D contains ethene, which is an alkene, and alkenes are reacted with steam to produce alcohol. The alcohol here is ethanol and not ethanoic acid, eliminating option C and making option D the correct option for this question. Question 37. Three types of organic compound are alkanes, alkenes, and alcohols. Which structure does not belong to any of these three types of compounds? So A contains a double bond, so it is an alkene. B contains only carbon and hydrogen single bond, so it is an alkane. C contains the COOH group, making it a carboxylic acid. And D contains the OH group, making it an alcohol. So we have alkanes present in B, alkenes present in A, and alcohols present in D. So this makes option C the correct option for this question. Question 38. The diagram represents ethene. Which compound has chemical properties similar to those of ethene? Another alkene. A is an alkane, B is an alkane, C is an alcohol, and D is an alkene. So D would have the same chemical properties as ethene, making option D the correct option for this question. Question 39. Petroleum is a mixture of hydrocarbons which can be separated into fractions using fractional distillation. Which fraction is used as a fuel in jet engines? So that would be kerosene. We need to remember this. So the options are bitumen, this is used to make roads, gasoline, this is petrol, kerosene, this is used in jet engines, and naphtha is used as a chemical resource in the chemical industry. So the correct option for this question is option C. Question 40. A chemist carried out a cracking reaction on a hydrocarbon X and obtained two products, Y and Z. The chemist then wrote the following statements in his notebook. A molecule of X has 7 carbon atoms. So in Y we have 1, 2, 3, 4. In Z we've got 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 carbon atoms. So this is correct. Y is unsaturated. Y is an alkane. An alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon. Z is unsaturated due to the presence of the double bond. So this statement is incorrect. Z will decolorize bromine water. Yes. Presence of the double bond is responsible for decolorization of bromine water. And decolorization of bromine water is also a test for unsaturation, making Z an unsaturated compound. So this statement is correct. Since statements 1 and 3 are correct, option C is the correct option for this question.